It is often said that learning a language is the most difficult task in the world. Yet, a 5-year-old child speaks their mother tongue with remarkable precision. Behind this, there are no textbooks or special training sessions. That child did only one thing: constant observation. This immense power is the first seed that transforms a human being into an achiever. Once upon a time, there lived a young boy. Though he was passionate about music, he faced great disappointment right at the start. He has no musical sense. He can't even hold a tune, said all the teachers as they rejected him. They told his parents bluntly, he wasn't born with this talent. Don't waste your money. As the boy walked back home, soaking in the rain, the world seemed full of closed doors. However, a visionary named Michael thought differently. He believed that talent is not a gift given only to a few at birth. It is carved by the environment in which we grow. He told the boy, you don't need to play right now. First, absorb the music through your ears. Before teaching him how to play music, he taught him how to breathe it. Months passed. Those around him might have mocked him, thinking he hadn't achieved anything yet. But, like invisible roots, music was taking hold deep within his subconscious. Through small improvements and steady practice without any judgment, he built a strong foundation within himself. As long as a seed is underground, no one notices its growth, but one day, it turns into a mighty banyan tree. The very boy the world had cast aside as untalented eventually stood on a grand stage before thousands of people. When he began to play the violin, the entire hall fell into a stunned silence. It wasn't just music. It was the sound of years of silent, accumulated hard work. He was not a born genius. He was an achiever who had sculpted himself through the right environment and unwavering effort. In real life, we often pull back in the same way. We compare our 10th day of effort with someone else's 10th year of hard work and give up. Talent does not suddenly fall from the sky. It is created through perseverance. With patience, create an environment around your goal. If your hard work is sincere, success will naturally come seeking you. If you like this story, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.